by the Minister. Therefore, I shall put the motion regarding the consideration of the Constitution 123rd Amendment Bill 2017 to vote. The question is that the bill further to amend the Constitution of India as passed by Lok Sabha and as reported by the Select Committee of Rajya Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it. Now, honorable members, under Article 368 of the Constitution, the motion will have to be adopted by a majority of the total membership of the House and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of the House present and voting. Therefore, I have to call for division. Now, division. Let lobbies be cleared. Let lobbies be cleared. Secretary General will switch on the division bell. Division bell. Lobbies cleared. Lobbies have to be cleared.
बिल बजने के बाद
हो गया?
नहीं अभी 20 मिनट्स की बात अभी बिल बजने के बाद
और तमाम मिनिस्टर बापर कास्ट के बाइकाट कर गए हैं। आप देख लीजिए।
कितने मिनट हो गया? 3:30 होना है। कितना? Okay. All right. Yes, lobby is clear. Now, Secretary General will now explain the voting procedure. Clear नहीं हो गया?
क्लियर करना बाद में करना
क्या?
Honorable members, for your convenience, I shall explain the voting procedure by automatic vote recording system. It may please be noted that each member has been provided with an integrated microphone and voting console containing 4 buttons: P for present, A for ayes, O for abstain, and N for noes. There is also a separately situated security button in red, which is vote activation, provided on the language selector. A red LED vote now lighting during the voting period indicates that the voting functions are operational and active. To record a vote, a member has to press the vote activation button and one of the voting buttons of his or her choice simultaneously. Each voting button has an assigned LED indicating the correct and valid voting function as long as the button is pressed together with the vote activation button. The voting process starts with a musical sound on large screen hall display in the 2 corners of the chamber. Each member has to keep the voting button as well as vote activation button pressed simultaneously for 10 seconds. That is at the time of closing of voting in order to register a valid vote. During the voting period, the member can change his or her vote at any time. The vote cast at the time when the voting period is ending will be valid. That is, the buttons kept pressed at the 10th second will be recorded. In case either one or both the buttons are released prior to close of voting period, the vote will not be registered. The countdown time is also indicated on the display board. If a member finds that he or she has voted by mistake by pressing the wrong button, he or she can be allowed to correct the mistake, provided he or she brings it to the notice of the chairman before the result of the division is announced.
Well, whether any member wants one more repetition of this? Any new member? Everybody, new members? Okay. So I am proceeding. The question is that the bill further to amend the Constitution of India as passed by Lok Sabha and as reported by Select Committee of Rajya Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it. Now, division. Yes, proceed.
Honorable members, I am starting the voting process. The voting time starts now.
No, come. It should be 50 plus 1. Yes. It is not there. It should be 1. Otherwise it is not. Yes. No. No.
लगा दी है इसी मारे सब यस में आ रहे हैं, नो में कोई आ ही नहीं रहा।
No.
ये तो ईवीएम वाली चिप लगी है।
देखेंगे। See, if anybody's vote is not registered, he can give a slip. If any vote is not registered, he can give a slip. He or she can give a slip. No duplication, but we can check it. No, that is a new member here. No. See, a new member, he has not been allotted a number, so he has to do it on paper. That is the thing.
Of the ruling party MPs are absent. So now ensure there is no duplication, that they don't create a more than one half.
No.
You require at least 126.
No, no. 120, 50, 50% plus 1. 123, 50% plus 1. That's enough. Now, result of the division. Subject to correction. Ayes 129. Noes nil. The motion is adopted by a majority of the membership of the House and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of the House present and voting. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 stands part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it. I think I can directly go for division. No need of all those formalities. Therefore, division. Now I have ordered division. No, Secretarial. Division? No, now you can't. I already said division. Okay. Please.
Honorable members, I'm starting the voting process. The voting time starts now.
One vote is. Yeah, that is mistake. वो वन वोट कहाँ है देखो मिस्टेक हो गए तो you can correct that mistake whoever it is. Now, result of the division, subject to correction, ayes 129, noes nil. Clause 2 is adopted by a majority of the total membership of the House and a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of the House present and voting. Now, let us proceed. Clause 3 stands part of the bill. There are 30 amendments. I will read all amendments. What is it?
Sir, he will read first. So you are reading also?
No, I will reading, yes. Amendments, numbers 1 to 5 by Dr. T. Subbareddy. That will always be there. No, yes, wait, no. Let me read all for the information of the House. Numbers 7 to 11 by Sri Ripun Bora. Numbers 12 to 19 by Sri Hussain Dalwai. Numbers 22 to 24 by Sri B.K. Hariprasad. Numbers 26 to 30 by Sri Digvijay Singh, Sri B.K. Hariprasad and Sri Hussain Dalwai. Number 33 by Srimati Kanimozhi. Numbers 34 to 36 by Sri T.K. Rangarajan and Sri C.P. Narayanan. Now, I will now put one by one. Now first is numbers 1 to 5, T. Subramanian Reddy. Are you moving?
Yes, before that, I would like to say, sir, the commission is called National Commission.
No, say are you moving or
No,
not?
I have to tell what I meant, then only I will tell. The commission is called National Commission for Backward Classes, constituted under the National Commission for Backward Class Act 1903 and orders of Supreme Court. Hence, it is remained to the statutory commission. Now, Honorable Minister repealing this 93 Act and giving a constitutional backing to this commission. Therefore, to make distinction with the earlier commission, I am proposing National Constitutional Commission for Backward Classes.
Baba, you say whether you move it or not.
This one, if minister agrees, I will not move.
No, that is, if you say what do I do like that, that is conditional. Either you have to say I move or you have to say, if minister want to react, I have no problem. You want to say something?
सर मैं रेड्डी साहब से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि एससी आयोग का भी यही नाम है संविधान प्रावधान के अनुसार, एसटी आयोग का भी यही नाम है, राष्ट्रीय अनुसूचित जाति आयोग, राष्ट्रीय अनुसूचित जनजाति आयोग, और उसी को आधार मान करके राष्ट्रीय पिछड़ा वर्ग आयोग रखा गया है। इसमें किसी प्रकार की कोई शंका कुशंका की आवश्यकता नहीं है। मैं आग्रह करता हूं संवैधानिक प्रावधानों का सम्मान करते हुए आप इसे वापस ले लें।
So you are not moving. Okay. Amendment not moved. Fine. Thank you. Now, amendment number 7 to 11 by Sri Ripun Bora. Are you moving?
Satisfied with the reply of the minister, so I am not moving.
Yes. Not moving. Now then, number 12 to 19, numbers 12 to 19 by Sri Hussain Dalwai. Are you moving? Not moving.
Moving.
Eh?
I'm moving.
You are moving.
Yes.
But you are only standing there. You are standing. But you are only standing there.
No, sir. See, on page 2, after line 7, the following provision.
No, if you are moving, it is enough. You are moving. Now you sit down. You are, So therefore, now Sri Hussain Dalwai has moved his amendment. I shall now put the amendment moved by Sri Hussain Dalwai to vote.
Not moving. Not moving.
Not moving.
Not moving.
Not moving.
Not moving.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Not moving. Thank you. Now, amendment numbers 22 to 24 by Sri B.K. Hari Prasad. Are you moving?
We jointly moved some amendments, Digvijay Singh ji, myself and Dalwai ji.
That is
we
after
will take
this.
it up next, sir. I will withdraw
So this you are not moving.
This I will not move, but
Okay.
I will.
All right. Not moved. Now numbers 26. One second. Now amendment numbers 26 to 30 by Sri Digvijay Singh, Sri B.K. Hari Prasad and Sri Hussain Dalwai.
Sir,
Digvijay Singh.
so we are moving amendment number 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
No. No. Yours only 26 to 30.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
So we are
moving
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
No, the 30, 31, 32 is not, it is not here. No.
So
Now, Digvijay Singh.
sorry, till 30, sir. Clause.
No, your amendments are 26 to 30 only.
Yes, sir. So we are moving 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, so 26 you are not moving. That's fine. So he has moved 27 to 30. I shall now put amendments moved by Digvijay Singh. Yeah, no, 1 second. No, let me see. B.K. Hari Prasad and Hussain Dalwai. That is amendment 27 to 30. 26 is not moving.
Something on the amendment, sir. Sir, I would like to say something on the amendment, sir.
Okay.
It is my right.
Okay, I never told
Thank
you
you,
no.
Sir, I am moving the amendment number 27 to increase the number of members from 3 to 5 because this OBC constitutes almost more than 50% of the population of this country. Therefore, the number of members in this commission should be at least 5 and at least one of them should be a woman. And one of them should be from the minorities. This is amendment, this is needed, sir, because, number one, and they should be from the OBC only. Otherwise, in this constitution amendment, there is no provision for that all members should be from the OBC.
Okay, it's clear.
So therefore, sir, I have moved this amendment
All right.
that they should be from the backward classes, increase it from 3 to 5, and one of them should be a woman,
Okay,
one of
okay.
them from the minority.
It's
community.
clear, it's
so
clear.
I'm moving 27, sir.
Okay. So, no, you are moving 27, 28, 29 and
Now
30.
28, 29, 28, sir, 28 is to protect the rights of the states.
Are you moving
This
that?
is a council of the state.
Ah.
We have to protect the state rights.
Are you moving
and
that?
it should be the state recommendation should be binding on the government. And if they don't want to go by that, then it should be a clear-cut written order that why they are not.
So now you are moving that also?
I'm moving, sir.
And what about 29?
And also, 29 also, sir, it should be in SC, ST, the provision is to participate and advise. That has not been kept in this because the argument has been that they have incorporated the total SC, ST commission into this. But in this, they have not incorporated the words to advise on, to participate
So that means
and
you are
advise.
moving, you are moving.
Yes. And 30th also,
You are moving.
we are moving, sir.
Okay, sit down. Therefore, now, Sri Digvijay Singh has not moved 27. So no, let me complete. No, sit down, sit down.
Only 26 have not moved.
No, sorry.
27 to 30 have moved.
Yeah. 26 he has not moved. I hope Sri Hari Prasad and Hussain Dalwai concur with that. Okay, concur with that. Now, 28, 29, 27, 28, 29 and 30 are moved. I am going to put all those together to vote. I shall put the amendments moved by Sri Digvijay Singh to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the noes have it. The noes have it. Noes have it. Eh?
Division, sir.
In any case, it has to be division.
No. Red.
Okay. All
Sir,
right.
red, hara. Yes, correct.
Are you insisting?
Sir, division.
Yeah. Sir, you want to say? You want to say something? Yeah.
माननीय दिग्विजय सिंह जी से और माननीय बीके हरिप्रसाद जी से और माननीय हुसैन दलवाई साहब से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि इस संबंध में जो आप संशोधन लाए हैं इस संबंध में मैंने पहले विस्तार से बताया है और मैं निवेदन करना चाहूँगा कि जहाँ तक सदस्यों की संख्या का सवाल है और उसमें एक महिला सदस्य होने का प्रश्न है तो नियम बनाते समय इस प्रकार की बात का हम ध्यान रखेंगे और जहाँ तक राज्यपाल की राय का सवाल है वो तो राज्य सरकार के राय ही होगी इसलिए इसको अगर वो स्वीकार कर ले और अपना संशोधन वापस ले ले तो कृपा हो।
No, what I want to know is on the base. No, what I want to know is on the basis of the assurance by the minister.
No, sir, they are a Jumla politics people. We can't be assured by them.
No. The point is no. I am not. See.
Procedurally, please understand. Sir, procedurally, please understand.
Yeah.
No assurance can be given after voting has
No,
begun.
on an amendment it is possible.
No, on amendment.
Amendment assurance can be
You
given.
have moved. He has asked for a division.
Yeah.
After that, an assurance.
No.
that doesn't happen. No.
I am only
and therefore.
No,
that
I didn't say
can be
division.
doubtful.
I didn't say division.
No, division has been asked for.
No. He asked that. No, HOD. No, please, HOD, let us be clear. He asked for division.
Yes.
I did not announce division. I did not. But in the meantime, minister has a right to reply. He replied.
Not reply.
He gave an assurance. On the basis of that assurance, if the members withdraw the motion with the amendment, I will not. You want division? You are insisting. Okay, then I have no other go. All right. Okay, I shall now put the amendments moved by Digvijay Singh, Sri B.K. Hari Prasad, Sri Hussain Dalwai to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the noes have it, the noes have it, the noes have it. Division. Okay, division. Division, please. Division. Now,
Honorable-
Secretary General, please proceed.
Honorable members, I'm starting the voting procedure. Your time starts now.
Okay, result कहाँ है? Result क्यों आते हैं? हाँ? No, nothing. Result आना है. No, amendment के लिए कुछ नहीं. It's only amendment. No, for amendment, not two-thirds. I'll explain. No, I will tell you. See, you have. Take the procedure. No. Sir, please. No. Now. I will explain it. Now, please see. No, no, nothing is needed. I will tell you. I will tell you. It's very simple. Amendment. Now, आप जाइए. See, it is very simple. It is very clear. I will tell you. For the amendment, only simple majority is required. Now let me say. So amendment will be carried. After that, the clause will be amended clause. For that amended clause, all of you should vote together. Then only the bill will carry. Otherwise, the bill will collapse. I am explaining the position. Because you are not getting 2/3 majority. Therefore, see, for the amended clause, all of you should vote. All of you should vote. That means both sides should vote. Yes.
Now, just a moment.
Yes.
The House has carried the amendment. Now the clause as amended has to be voted upon.
Yes, yes.
The ruling side, the treasury benches must
Should vote, yes.
respect the decision of the House
And that's the only way.
and carry the clause as amended.
Yeah, that's the only
Because
way.
the House has voted for the amendment.
That's the only way. You are correct. That's the only way. See, that's the only way. Because I also, see, chair is also to facilitate the matter. Chair is also to see that the bill is passed. So the position I am explaining.
Deputy Chairman,
No.
Deputy Chairman, may I add one more thing?
You are fully correct.
No,
I
may I
agree.
just add one more thing, please? It is true that the government did not support the amendment. But the amendment is not something which destroys the bill. The amendment is something which strengthens the bill, adds to the bill. So let the government accept the fact that the House has amended it and support the
No,
amendment.
in any case, I have to put it for vote because we have already started. No. The point is, I have already started the process. So I am on the process.
Position is very clear. The amendment has been approved by a simple majority.
Yeah, that is enough.
Now, the chair is right that the provision as amended will have to be put.
Yeah.
Now, the provision as amended has to be then carried by at least 2/3.
Yes.
For which the parties will have to change their position from the position which is otherwise indicated in the voting pattern. Now, in case that doesn't happen, then this provision, part of the bill itself, there'll be a vacuum because it's neither of the two viewpoints is supported by 2/3. Now, obviously, the Parliament can't create a vacuum.
Yeah.
And therefore, my request would be that if it's possible during the course of the voting, to adjourn it for a few minutes, we try and work out some solution so that we don't. All right.
No,
if that is the insistence and they want the OBC reservation to fail, let them do so.
No. See, no, let us not. No, please, I'll allow. Now the position is, I have no problem. See. Yeah, what is Kapil Sibal saying? No, I allowed Kapil Sibal, after that I will call you. After Kapil Sibal I will call you. I allowed Kapil Sibal. But it's, give a solution, not.
Minority representative and representatives of the OBCs in the entire commission. How can the government oppose that? Why are you opposing it? Why you don't want a minority representation? You don't want a women's representation? And
You have a
want
separate
backward
women's
class
commission, you have a separate minority commission.
Why
How are you
opposing
integrating
it?
those provisions into
Why
this?
are you opposing it? We don't understand.
No. If you want to oppose this, oppose it in a straightforward manner.
No, we are not.
Be upfront.
We are not. You are opposing.
You have a women's commission, you have a minority commission. How do you integrate those provisions into this?
Why are you opposing it?
And the
We are just
minister has said
We are
that we will
just
frame
adding
rules.
so
The
that it
minister
should be
has said
truly
that we will frame rules.
representative.
And in the rules, we'll make a provision for this.
No, that is it.
Yeah, HOD, please.
You told me to speak.
I will call you.
Sir, Vice Chairman, sir. No, whatever be the charges that are being traded between the ruling benches and the principal opposition, that's not the point, sir.
That's not a point.
The voting had begun. Now the point is, do not accuse saying that you don't want the OBC reservation bill, you want this, you don't want that. There is a technical issue. You know this is a constitution amendment.
Yeah.
The first question then I'll put a counter charge is, why is the treasury benches missing? Why have they not come?
No, that is a different
Are
issue.
they not
That is
sincere?
not the issue now.
Yeah, that's why.
That is not the issue now.
Don't make such charges. Don't make such charges that you don't want this bill or you want this bill. The issue is on the merit of the amendment. The amendment's merit is that there should be one woman, one minority. Why is that being opposed? Why is that being opposed? I don't understand.
No, that's okay. Now, I got your point.
Sir, no, why are you opposed?
No, let me see.
पहले आपसे पहले मैं बोलूं फिर आप बताइए.
Yeah.
ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ने कहा, ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ने कहा कि आप बिल के खिलाफ. ये बिल्कुल हम बिल के खिलाफ नहीं है. हम चाहते हैं कि इस बिल को जितना मजबूत किया जाए उतना कम है. लेकिन अब गवर्नमेंट का काम है कि वो उन्होंने मस्टर अपनी सपोर्ट नहीं की. हम उसमें क्या करें? और इनको क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि एक महिलाओं को रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे और एक अल्पसंख्यक को
Any solution? कोई solution है तो
Sir, may I just respond to? Sir, मैं respond करूं एक मिनट. Article 338 SC/ST कमीशन जो आप लाए थे, जो उसका फॉर्मुलेशन है, जो एग्जैक्टली वही फॉर्मुलेशन इसमें है, उसमें महिला की ये सब नियमों में है. It's all in the rules. It's not in the main constitution.
Okay, now please.
Article 338 में
no
नहीं है.
discussion की जरूरत नहीं.
श्रीमान,
No.
श्रीमान, ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण संविधान संशोधन विधेयक है. अगर ये विधेयक गिरता है तो पूरे देश के बैकवर्ड कम्युनिटी में बड़ा भारी निराशा होगी. मैं दोनों बड़ी पार्टियों से ये अनुरोध करता हूँ कि इसको पारित करवाने के लिए एक मत हों. चाहे सदन को कुछ देर के लिए स्थगित करना पड़े वो करें, लेकिन इसको पारित करवाने की कोशिश करें.
Now let me. No, I will allow you. But. Now it cannot withdraw. It is passed.
Sir, please hear me out, sir. The Honorable Leader of the Opposition or Leader of the House has, माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, सदन के नेताजी ने कहा है कि हम इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन संवैधानिक बिल को पास नहीं होने देना चाहते. आखिर मेरे अमेंडमेंट क्या है माननीय सभापति महोदय? अमेंडमेंट है कि सारे सदस्य ओबीसी वाले होना चाहिए. ये बिल को स्ट्रेंथन करते हैं, कमजोर करते हैं. नंबर 2, महिला होनी चाहिए, ये उसको मजबूत करते हैं कि उसको कमजोर करते हैं? बैकवर्ड महिला और बट मुस्लिम होना चाहिए, उसको स्ट्रेंथन करते हैं कि कमजोर करते हैं? दूसरा, सर, राज्यों का अधिकार, ये सदन राज्यों का काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स है, इसलिए राज्यों का अधिकार इसको स्ट्रेंथन करते हैं.
No blame game now.
Sir, I agree. Sir, I agree with honorable member.
No, I don't. No, see, all of you sit down.
10-15 minutes.
No scope for discussion now.
I appeal to the Leader of the House to accept the amendment and pass this with amendment.
Please, I don't want a blame game now. But I have to make one point very clear. No, please. There's nothing to discuss here. I will make the point very clear. Number 1, amendment is passed. You cannot go back on that. Number 1. Number 2, therefore the clause can be put only as amended. Can only be put as amended. And for that clause, if it has to be part of the law, then it should get 2/3 majority. That means I will put in plain words, all of you should vote together. No. Number 3, there is no procedure or precedence of even after starting a division adjourning. But if the entire house agree, I can adjourn for 10 minutes. But what is the use? No, let me say. I only said if the entire house agrees, then why do you say sit down? But even then, even if we adjourn 10 times, the only way what I said. No, so I will allow you. I'm on my legs. Because even if we adjourn and discuss, can you decide that the amendment is not passed? Can't the chair put the amendment, the clause without bringing the amendment. So even if we adjourn, I don't see a solution unless you decide to entirely stop it and then bring something like that. So you have to consider it. Eh? Okay.
और जो इधर से बात कही है, मैं कहूंगा कि 10 मिनट के लिए इस हाउस को एडजर्न करिए। हम
I have no objection adjourn करने के लिए। ये जी साहब को
मैं कहना चाहता हूँ ये बहुत बुरा होगा। देश के लोग हैं वो इंतजार कर रहे हैं। ये बिल जो है आज गिर गया तो बहुत बुरा हाल होगा। इसलिए 10 मिनट के लिए आप इसको करके आप लोग बात करने की कोशिश होगा।
Chair has no objection in adjourning for 10 minutes.
At least 15 minutes.
Chair has
15
minutes. No problem. Chair has no objection. No, because Honorable LOP and please listen. No, please listen. Let me make it clear. Because Honorable LOP and the Honorable Leader of the House both together demanded, even though there is no precedence. I know. See, I am doing that only for the sake of facilitating the passage of this bill. I know there is no, Achuriji, I know what you said, I know. I agree. But there is no precedent. But however, both sides agree. And therefore,
the lobby should remain closed.
Lobby should remain closed.
Lobby should remain closed.
No. Then adjournment cannot be done. Then adjournment cannot be done.
Lobby should remain closed.
According to rule, then adjournment cannot be done.
No. This is.
Then adjournment cannot be done.
This 15 minutes subject to the
Then
lobby.
adjournment cannot be done.
This 15 minutes is subject to the lobbies remain
No,
closed.
then adjournment cannot be done.
Sir, some members want to go to सर कुछ लोग जो हैं
Then adjournment cannot be done.
Sir, the
How
lobbies.
can you adjourn when without lobbies?
No lobbies cannot be. Let the lobbies be closed.
जॉन हाउस में लॉबी खोलनी पड़ेगी।
To be clear, once the house is adjourned, you cannot keep the lobbies closed. How can you do that? Yeah.
We will decide here only. Sir, in that case, we'll decide here only in 10 minutes. Here only, here. Sir, in that case, we will not have any discussion here. We will decide here in 10 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. That is the only way. Because if I adjourn the house, lobbies have to be clear.
No.
No. Therefore, I am suspending the house, the debate or voting for some time. You can discuss now here.
Okay,
Here.
thank you.
You can discuss
Thank
now
you.
here. Yeah. Honorable Nakvi ji, abhi discuss idhar kar su.
Chidambaram ji, discuss sir.
एक भी बिल पे हरा ना एज अमेंडेड 5 महीने में कोई हैज
Because what is the meaning of adjournment? You can discuss here. इधर discuss करो. इधर आओ. Discuss with the leader and settle. Lobby is not clear. Not to clear lobbies. Lobby is not to clear. No. See? Then, Shukla ji. There's no way. Hey, Nakvi ji. See, there is no way was amendment. कर दी कर दी without lobbies being clear.
See, they should have.
So, you see, somebody should have thought of it.
Otherwise, never. He was also telling minister, actually he was opposing it taking today because on Monday there is always a rest. On Tuesday everything is full.
No, if your side was full, it would have been. गड़बड़ कर दिया. कितने टाइम हो गया?
7:15. Tell me, this will be highly irregular. You see, amendment has been passed.
I said it.
No, you are right. I'm supporting you. I'm supporting
Our
you.
discussion take place. The only way is what I said.
Correct.
So you don't worry.
Why waste all this time?
Then don't think that I am not.
Wait,
So
dictator.
I should give a.
You are being accommodating. But procedure-wise, please don't try. I stood up to support you, but at that time they also have. Now, that is their bill and the clause as amended has to be passed. That's it.
If it is not passed, that
Finish.
amendment is gone.
Gone.
That bill is that
Your bill
clause
is infractuous.
The clause is gone, and maybe the bill.
Bill will go. So best would be.
I will only do that.
Best
If you discuss, there is no use. This is the only way. I said in public.
I stood up to support you, but by then the two Yadav.
That is
Please start again.